Hi, welcome to Physics Teacher, the channel that prepares you for the Waterloo Math and Science Contest. This is a grade 10 Math Cayley contest question. The question says that the perimeter of this pentagon is 82. So can you solve for its area? Give it a try and I'll be right back with the solution. The first thing we're going to do is extend our Q all the way over to, let's call this point U. Now since I know ST is 30, and that's going to be the same as RU, and I know that RQ is 18, we can figure out that QU is simply 30 minus 18, which ends up being 12. So this distance here is 12. Now I can figure out what PU is. Since this is a right angle triangle, I can use the Pythagorean theorem, which would say that 13 squared, the hypotenuse, equals 12 squared plus that distance PU squared. So rearranging for PU squared, we get PU squared is 13 squared minus 12 squared, which equals 169 minus 44, which is 25. So to figure out what PU is then, I take the square root of both sides, and we get PU equal to 5. So this distance here is 5. Now that I know what that distance is, I can figure out what our S is. Our S, let's call that X. And it's going to be the same as UT, so let's call that X as well. And what I can do is calculate this perimeter. So it's going to be 5, this 5 here, plus 13, plus 18, and then plus X, and plus 30, and then plus another X. And that is going to all equal to 82. So if I collect like terms, here we're going to have 2x plus add up all of these integers, which give us 66, and that's going to equal 82. So now we can subtract 66 from both sides, so we get 82 minus 66. This gives us 16, and dividing both sides by 2 gives us x equal to 8. So now we know what x is equal to. And so we know all the dimensions of the pentagon. So now we can move ahead and find its area. So the total area then is going to be equal to the area of this triangle. So that's just going to be 1/2 the base, which is 12, times the height, which is 5, plus the area of this rectangle here, which is length times width. So length is 30, and our width is 8. That leaves the area of the triangle as being 30, and the area of the rectangle as being 240. So when we add those, we get a total area of 270, or our answer is E.